trust is something that can be very hard to get, yet very easy to lose. But if we make getting trust an easy task, then it won't be that bad. Now, at your own discretion. I'm not telling you to make people trust you and then ruin their lives, come on. But if you do want to make somebody trust you, I mean, I guess it's a video for you. I'm no expert in this, and honestly, I just read a book on it. So take my advice with a grain of salt. Try it for yourself and see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. If it does, good job. The book I read was How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book is by Dale Carnegie, and it's actually really good when it comes to explaining this. The book is set up in 4 parts, where each part explains different techniques. And yeah, honestly, let's hope for the best. Hopefully you can make people trust you. Now, how would I be proving this? I use the strategies while going on Omegle, the best website on earth. How do I prove that I can make people trust me on Omegle? Easy. I put a QR code on my shirt and I pretty much try to make people scan it. And yeah, that's how I made people trust me on Omegle. So let's get to it. So in the first part of the book, it's called Fundamental Techniques. So, what are they? First, don't complain or criticize. Listen to the other person. Second, give honest and sincere appreciation. Say thank you. Third, make person want to do it. Pretty simple, right? Now here we go on my first ever encounter for this video. Here we prove a very important fact. If you make the other person feel safe, or if they feel safe, they will trust you. As such, that is your main priority. Making them feel safe, or therefore making them believe that they are safe. So how was your day today?
Pretty good. What about you?
What did you do?
I'm just in my human code.
What do you code?
HTML pages with a few fucking background apps, you know?
Hey man, do you wanna scan my QR code?
Oh yeah.
But would you scan my QR code?
Yeah, I would.
Do you trust me?
Yeah.
Why do you trust me?
I got an OVH on. You can't get my IP anything.
So the only
Yeah, it's
reason you
pretty good.
trusted me was because you were safe.
Yes. I feel I would trust you at the pace, and you seem pretty cool.
You need to listen to what they're saying. Actually care about what they're talking about. That way they will care about trusting you. The nicer you seem, the more trust you will have. As such, be nicer. While trying to do this whole challenge, it was actually pretty cool. So I got to be with a pineapple. Roll the clip. Now, if you would like to go follow the pineapple, here's their app, link in the description as well. Follow the pineapple, let's get it. Second step, this is called 6 ways to make people like you, and I'm gonna summarize it pretty quickly. Just genuinely be interested. The conversation has to be geared towards them. So don't make it about yourself. The more you listen to what they're saying, the more they will trust you. This is why you see me ask questions like, how are you? How are you doing? And only geared towards how they are feeling. That's the best way to build trust. You have to make them believe that you are genuinely interested in what they're saying. As such, you will be successful in that regard. People like to talk about themselves. So if you let them talk about themselves, they will be happier. And that's really the essence of it. Make people talk about themselves, they will do whatever you tell them to. Now, in this case, right here. But if you did have a phone, would you scan it?
Yes.
Love
I
that.
would trust you, my guy.
So what about me makes you trust me?
Your nice appearance.
As you can see, if you're ugly, this might be a little bit harder for you. So, I mean, I don't know how to help you there, man. I don't know, get groomed or something. Or women, if you're a girl watching this. No, but apart from that, hopefully that helps. Now, through this experience, I also got a very, very nice person who scanned my QR code. Roll the clip.
Wait, let me try.
Huh, got you there too. I was not gonna go there by myself. Yes, sir. Now, in the third part of the book, it's all about win people to your way of thinking. That means make people believe what you are saying. In this conversation, I listened in to the problem at hand. His girlfriend broke up with him. How are you?
How am I?
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I really don't know how to feel right now.
What do you mean?
My girlfriend broke up with me like 6 hours ago. Shorty's a bitch, you know what I'm saying? Like she really broke up with me because she didn't want to let her feelings out. Like, how does that make sense, bitch?
Now, as you can see right here, we are literally vibing. Hey,
Break up with me? You want to leave me because you didn't want to talk about your feelings? Get out of here. That That's not how that shit works.
We are living the time of our lives, and that's why he trusts me so much. Hey man, would you like to scan my QR code?
Like what? With like the picture?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
just go on your
Okay.
phone.
Quote
got it?
fancy. Yeah, I got it. Thank you for trusting me. Anytime, bro.
Honestly, I was genuinely having a great conversation with this dude. But even if you can fake that sort of interaction, it would be very, very effective.
You're dope as shit, bro. You sat here and talked to me.
I was able to relate, so I was able to agree with most statements he was saying. As such, he built a trust for me based upon that relatability. That's how you win people into your way of thinking. If you target them to what you and them have in common, they will trust you because they feel as if you and them have a connection. And always try to see their point of view. This was done way better in the next clip. Do you want to scan my QR code?
Why? I just met you. How am I supposed to met?
Here, I saw why they wouldn't want to do it, and then showed them why it wasn't bad if they did it. As a stranger, right? I'm pitching you the idea of trusting me. And the way I'm proving this to you is because I don't have the knowledge or skills to do this. And at the same time, through the harder method, I'm just trying to gain your trust. Why would I go out of my way to prove to you that I am a trustworthy person?
Fine. Okay. Let me see if it works with my phone, because my phone is old.
So you trust me.
Sure. Yeah. Enough to scan the QR code.
Therefore, convincing them to do what I say. In both scenarios, I was interested in the conversation genuinely. Therefore, they genuinely decided to trust me. Would I do this consistently on a day-to-day basis, I would have been a whole lot more effective. In the fourth part, it's all about being a leader. That means always appreciate what the other person is doing. Ask questions, don't give them orders. That's why you always heard me say, would you like to scan my QR code? You also have to give yourself a reputation to live up to. That's why here I show why I wouldn't be the type of person to do anything malicious to them. Therefore, getting them to believe what I'm saying. And it's that simple. To make somebody trust you, it's very much summarized in one way. Become interested in the other person and make the other person feel safe when they are with you. Don't be malicious. Don't do this for harm. This has been Cactus. If you liked the video, subscribe. If you didn't, leave a dislike, I guess. Also, if you would give it a like for the YouTube algorithm, maybe more people could see how to make other people trust them. And if my tips were trash, please tell me in the comments so I can fix my tips and make a new video on it. But yeah, that's how to make people trust you the Cactus way. Have a great day.
Disregard women, acquire the economy.